Hello, I'm Dr. Deepthi, and we are looking at different topics in mathematics under the heading Decreations Mathematics. We are particularly looking at linear algebra and in that vector spaces. Now, every vector space is defined over a certain field. So, what is this field? It is an algebraic structure. It's a set with two binary operations, generically called addition and multiplication. Now, every field satisfies certain axioms. What are these axioms? Let us look at each one. First, consider the property of commutativity. In case of addition, if A and B are two scalars belonging to the field, when you add them, the order doesn't matter. In other words, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Similarly, in multiplication, product of AB is same as product of B and A. In case of associativity, if you first add A and B and then add C to it, it is equal to the addition of A to the addition of B plus C. Similarly, if you take the product of A and B initially multiplied by C, it is same as multiplying A with the product of B and C. Then there is distributivity. Here multiplication distributes over addition. So if you are multiplying addition of b plus c with a, that means a into b plus c, it is equal to ab plus ac. Similarly, there is identity. In case of addition, 0 is the identity. So a plus 0 is same as adding 0 plus a and it gives you a back. That's why it's called identity. Similarly, in case of multiplication, 1 is the identity. So a into 1 is same as 1 into a, which is a. Another property is that of inverses. So for every a belonging to the field, there corresponds to be minus a belonging to the field such that a plus minus a gives you the identity 0, which is equal to minus a plus a. Similarly, there is a multiplicative inverse A inverse for every A such that A into A inverse is same as product of A inverse into A and that gives you 1. Now, when you look at these axioms, the simplest example that comes to your mind is that of real numbers. So if you add two real numbers, the order doesn't matter. For example, if you have 5 and 7, 5 plus 7 is same as 7 plus 5. Similarly, 5 into 7 is same as 7 into 5. In this manner, you can check each of these properties by putting some values of real numbers in the place of A, B and C. And you will see that each of these properties is verified. So, for every real number x, there will be an inverse minus x. For example, for 7, it will be minus 7. Similarly, for every number x, there will be a multiplicative inverse A inverse such that if the number is say 9, you will have the multiplicative inverse as 1 upon 9. Identity elements are 0 for addition and 1 for multiplication. If you check distributivity, say 5 plus 7 is 12 and if you multiply it by 2, it gives you 24. When you add it separately, that means 2 into 5, 10 plus 2 into 7, 14, it gives you 24. Same. And similar situation is with associativity. So 5 plus 6 plus 7 is 18. That is same as 5 plus 6 plus 7, which is 18 again. Same works for the product. 5 into 6 is 30. Into 7 is 210. Similarly, 5 into 6 into 7, that means 5 into 42 is 210, identical. So, You could just put variables here, or you could put numbers and cross check whether it is a field. So this was about field. Now you can try to find out some more examples of field. Thank you.